Hello everyone, so here we have a question that says we need to show that the function fx is equal to 4x cube minus 18x square plus 27x minus 7 is always an increasing function on R. So first we need to differentiate this. Here we can see when we start differentiating this equation, we'll get 3 into 4x square minus 2 into 18x plus 27 minus 0, which would result in 12x square minus 36x plus 27. Now when we rearrange this equation, and we'll be able to get 2x 3 bracket 2x minus 3x square, and obviously this equation would always be greater than equal to 0, so that's why this function is always increasing on